Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM, which is a powerful customer relationship management tool that is designed for businesses of all sizes. But before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore Dynamics 365 CRM and see how it can actually transform your business. So first, we need to understand what this particular product is that is officially from Microsoft. So Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM is an AI powered customer relationship management platform that actually helps businesses streamline their sales, customer service and marketing. It's a part of the larger Dynamics 365 suite, offering the deep integration with Microsoft tools like Microsoft Office 365, Teams and Azure. So there are some of the things that I like about this particular product. So first of all, you are going to get the AI and automation features. So it will give you smart insights, and automation will also help you boost your productivity. The second thing is that it has seamless integration, so it works effortlessly with Microsoft's ecosystem. You will also get the customizable templates over here. So it is tailored to fit your specific business needs, and it is also scalable. You will also get the strong security and compliance because it is built on Microsoft's secure cloud infrastructure. So if I talk about the cons, as you can see from the interface, some of the things or some of the features might be very overwhelming for you if you are a completely beginner in the CRMs. So there is a learning curve to start using Microsoft Dynamics 365. However, if you are looking for a powerful AI driven CRM that actually integrates seamlessly with Microsoft tools, Dynamics 365 is an excellent choice. It helps businesses automate process, improve customer interactions and drive sales growth, so which makes it a game changer for any organization. So if you want to try it out, you can just check out the link in the description and you can get started with it today. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you